Hello, I'm Nurul Athar, PMP, CPHMS and Adult Certified, and welcome to my presentation. In this presentation, I'm going to explain Cyber Architect job description. Cyber Architect, also known as Cyber Security Architect, this person will lead the development and coordinate all IT strategy and security protocols while overseeing the implementation of integrated systems and maintenance of current IT infrastructure. This person will embrace innovation as mean to improve the organization's ability to better achieve their mission by designing and engineering healthcare cyber solutions through software selection, sizing, configuration, and related work. Now see what is primary responsibilities. Designs, presents, administers integrated technology solution architecture, strategy, policies, and standards, able to give capability briefing and solution demonstration, prepare technical material for internal and external audience, maintain high level of technical excellence, propose change in existing product or services that result in cost reduction or increase end user productivity, while technical paper argue industry seminars, identify and champion new core capability or partnership and lead or mentor other staff. Ensure system availability, scalability, security and other system performance goals are met. Lead complex systems integration projects through demonstrated ability to achieve deliverables on time and on budget. Coordinates and oversees the architecture, implementation and modification activities. Oversees the information security management function of the organization including development, documentation, implementation, operation and maintenance of all information security programs and head, heads to ongoing activities to preserve the availability, integrity and confidentiality of organization information resources in compliance with applicable security policies and standards. Safeguard the organization computers, networks and data against threats such as security breaches, computer viruses, or attacks by cyber criminals, avoiding loss of confidential information, lost revenue, and fines from regulatory agencies for failing to protect data. Manage IT support and staff providing line management, leadership, motivation, and strategic direction. Communicates regularly with other members of leadership team and managers and bring the organization information security risk under explicit management control. Qualification. Bachelor's degree in computer science, data science, mathematics, management information system or equivalent degree is required. Master degree or other advanced technical degree preferred. CISP CISSP certification desired. 10 years work experience in cybersecurity desired. 3 plus years Agile project management experience desired. Experience with system engineering and system integration desired. Business development, proposal writing, statement of work development experience preferred. Demonstrated leadership and communication skills required. Internal and external client relationship management skills and experience required. Experience with contact center, data warehouse, cloud hosting services and other like solution desired. Demonstrated ability to develop and articulate initial solution concept to both external and customers to translate from concepts into a solidified system solution from implementation and operations. Demonstrated ability to understand business needs and recommend appropriate technology and process solution to meet internal and external requirements including regulatory requirements. Demonstrated ability to facilitate and lead technical work groups involving multiple specialties in support of system solution development and implementation. Demonstrated knowledge of architecture frameworks, network analysis, complexity analysis, and dynamic analysis. Okay, that brings us to end of my presentation. Thanks for watching. I hope you would have found this information useful. If you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel.